This is me. Well, not really. This is me. For the past 8 years, I've been running a high-end medical clinic in Sydney, Australia. Looking after some of the most famous Australians in the world has kept me very busy, but I've also found the time to become a pilot, study full-time at university to get a law degree, start a food manufacturing business, volunteer and lead in various organisations, and even author 2 books. Now, the secret to my productivity was learning to become a super reader and a speed learner. I discovered that the old methods of reading and learning were totally outdated. So I found scientific research, and then I leveraged technology to boost my learning capacity by at least 10 times. That's how I get so much done. I read fast and I learn fast. And that's what this course is all about. Hacking your learning by at least 10 times. So that just like me, you'll soon be able to absorb a ton of information and do it very quickly.